Daniel Coate. I am the co-founder of DC Electrical. We founded in 2023, just last year. The biggest problem and challenge we were definitely facing was lack of direction and understanding what we needed as a company, which we've definitely got help here. In general, our business goals are, I would say, to just make a consistent turnover, because at the moment we've got a few jobs here and there, but nothing consistent. Oh yeah, the spreadsheets are amazing. They detail everything for you. You don't need to think too much on it. It's literally a case of put the numbers in, it works for you. I've learned a lot of stuff because it opens your mind to a whole other area of business that you didn't even know existed. And so it was mainly just acknowledging what it is that's expected of me as the director of a company. Everything's great, everyone's really friendly, everyone's just happy to be here, and we've all got the same goals at the end of the day of success, success, success. So I'm happy to be here. Without a doubt, anyone that's just started up that doesn't really know what they're doing or where to go, this is the place. I'd definitely recommend the product.